Yo, welcome back, YouTube. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'm not even sure what is this that my wife picked up from Macy's. All I know is it was on sale for, I think, like $25 each item. That's what she told me. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So hopefully it doesn't already see. There is some receipt. You get this nice $30 gift card for cooking and as easy as eating. So not sure what this is about, but they include this. And then another one, the Shutterfly, $25, a special offer for you. So I'm not sure what this one's about. There's a code on the back. And there's another one, Home Chef, $30 in free meal. So I'm not sure. This is the first time that Macy that sent all this stuff. Okay, so these are the family pajamas. Huh. Well, let's go check it out then. Two-piece item, extra large. And this one is size medium. This one retail price for $70. And this one was $59.50. So I'm not sure how much she paid because it did not say over there. Let's go ahead and get this open. Let you guys see the unbox. So it is taped up. So let's go ahead and rip it. Hopefully she's not gonna give this as a gift because I already ripped the bag open. This one is for a woman, medium, made in Cambodia. So let's check it out. Two pieces. Don't move with me. And this is the long sleeve, which is pretty nice and soft fabric. And then there's nothing on the back. So it is 60% cotton and then 40% polyester. And you got the cut open on the bottom hem right there. And then this is the pants. And this is the bottom toward your ankle area, which is nice. Cover from the wind going through your body. All right, so there's no pocket or anything like that. There's a cowboy in here. Let's go and then check this one now. This one is taped up as well. This bag is not a toy. Gonna rip that open. And this one is extra large for men. I don't know why it costs $10 extra for men. So basically it's the same, except this one is a navy color. Okay, same pattern for the pants. You got a rope in the front. It's weird because there's no rope for the woman. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this pajama. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. And please share this with your friend, family on social media. And drop any other comments on below. Like always, please sub and turn on the bell for notification. We almost hit the 10,000K subscribers soon, hopefully anytime now. And we'll do some giveaway. And I will reveal that on the next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.